A year is 525,600 minutes. For most creators, that's hundreds of uploads. For me, it was silence. Because a year ago, I didn't just stop filming, I stopped everything. A year ago, I nearly had a nervous breakdown. It all became too much. The promotion at work I should not have taken. The weight of trying to hold up my business, and the reality of a home that was falling down. I needed a break. I fell. We talk about hustle culture like it's a badge of honor, but nobody talks about the moment the engine actually seizes up. I was managing a restaurant, trying to be a content creator, and raising 3 kids, all while my personal life was a battlefield. The hardest part wasn't the workload. It was the silence at home that felt like screaming. It was like holding up a house that was already on fire. When you fall that hard, you have 2 choices. Stay down or rebuild the foundation. I chose the foundation. I had to walk away from the things that were killing me to make room for the things that keep me alive. Recovery isn't a cinematic montage. It's boring, it's therapy, it's legal letters, it's sitting in the sun and just breathing without permission. So why come back? Because I'm not that person anymore. The business is back, but on my terms. The art is back, but with more soul. I've realized that my texture story isn't just about paint on a canvas. It's about the layers of life. The rough parts make the realistic parts stand out.
Close to violet on a Sunday.
I'm not looking for a comeback to where I was. I'm looking for a way forward to where I'm going. If you're still here after 365 days of radio silence, thank you.
Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to